you need every active user in your MongoDB collection, which single method returns exactly the right documents. In MongoDB, every collection exposes a find method that accepts a query filter document. The filter is a plain object. Keys are field names, values are what to match. Pass it to find, and MongoDB scans every document in the collection looking for matches. The syntax is db.yourcollectionname.find, then a curly brace object with the field name and value. For example, db.users.find, status : active , returns every document where status is exactly that string. The same pattern works for numbers, booleans, and dates. This is a strict equality match. MongoDB only returns documents where the field's value is exactly equal to what you specified. The return value is a cursor, not a raw array. In the shell, results print automatically, but in application code you iterate the cursor or call to array to access the documents. 2 useful extras. Pass a projection object as a second argument to control which fields come back. Set a field to 1 to include it. And swap find for findOne when you only need a single matching result. Use db.collection.find with a filter object for equality matching and reach for findOne when one result is enough. Like and subscribe for more MongoDB interview prep. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.